Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, a speed limiter, and the car's done less than 2,000 miles. So let's have a look around. This car's done wonderfully low miles, comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.